Which kitchen scale is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Etexity Food Kitchen Scale. First up is the Etexity Food Kitchen Scale. This sleek stainless steel scale caught my eye right away, especially given its popularity. Over 50,000 sold just last month. If you want effortless weighing for meal prep or baking, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Etexity offers precise results, weighing up to 11 pounds with 1 gram increments. It supports multiple units, including ounces and milliliters, perfect for those recipes that need exact measurements. Plus, the tare function means you can weigh your ingredients without the container weight messing things up. And with a backlit LCD display, you'll easily read your measurements, even in dim lighting. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit compact, especially for larger batches. Here's the thing though, if you're baking for a crowd, it might feel a bit cramped. But for most home cooks, this is a manageable size that fits nicely in any kitchen without taking up too much space. This is perfect for you if you're into baking or meal prepping and want a reliable scale. Skip this one if you're frequently weighing large items or need something more industrial. For its price and functionality, it delivers great value for money. Now, if the compact size of the Etexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. Next, we have the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. With its clean design and a good reputation, it stands out among kitchen essentials. Priced similarly to the Etexity, it has a solid following with over 40,000 units sold recently. If you want a user-friendly scale that covers all the basics, this could be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This scale can handle up to 11 pounds, and like Etexity, it features a tare function for easy measuring. It displays results in multiple units, which is super handy for anyone who bakes or cooks a lot. The large LCD display makes reading measurements a breeze, which is essential when you're juggling multiple ingredients. However, some users noted that it sometimes struggles with very light items, not registering weights under 2 grams reliably. Now, that could be a deal breaker if you're measuring tiny amounts, but for most everyday kitchen uses, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, reliable scale for everyday cooking. Skip it if you often measure very lightweight ingredients or need a scale for professional use. Given its features, it offers solid value for them.
Product number 3, TCSXAD Food Scale. Coming in third is the TCSXAD Food Scale. This one really surprised me with its versatility at just $6.98, which is a steal. If you're looking for a scale that seamlessly switches between multiple units, you should check this out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports 6 different measurement units, making it fantastic for baking, meal prep, or even checking out liquid measurements. Plus, it weighs up to 11 pounds with a 1 gram precision, ensuring you get accurate readings every time. The auto shutoff feature is also a nice touch, saving battery life, and the backlit display makes it easy to read in any light. Now, some users pointed out that the instructions can be a bit confusing at first, especially for resetting the scale. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it works like a charm, and for this price point, it's hard to complain. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, flexible scale for various kitchen tasks. Skip it if you prefer a more straightforward, no-frills approach. For the price, it's an incredible deal. Now, if you're looking for something with a larger capacity and advanced features, wait until you see our next pick.
Product number 4, GGQ Digital Kitchen Scale. Next up is the GGQ Digital Kitchen Scale. This one catches your attention with a higher weight capacity of 33 pounds. At about $17.98, it sits a bit higher in the price range, but it has a lot to offer. If you're serious about cooking and need a scale that can handle larger quantities, take a look at this. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 4 high-precision load sensors and can weigh anything from small ingredients to heavier items like pots or large bags of flour. The tare function works flawlessly, allowing you to measure accurately without the container. And with a waterproof touchscreen, cleanup is a breeze. It even has an overload reminder, a neat feature to prevent damaging the scale.
However, some users have mentioned that the touchscreen can be overly sensitive. Here's the thing though, once you figure out how to adjust your touch, it becomes a handy tool. This is perfect for you if you regularly cook in larger quantities or enjoy baking for family gatherings. Skip it if you need something compact or if touchscreens frustrate you. For its capabilities, it's worth the investment. And if you're looking for something compact and straightforward, our last product might just be what you need.
Product number 5, Ultrian Food Scale. Finally, we have the Ultrian Food Scale. This one is as affordable as it is functional, also priced at $6.98 and offers a stylish design. If you want a simple scale that doesn't compromise on quality, this is a solid option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides accurate readings with a maximum capacity of 11 pounds and features multiple unit settings. The backlit display makes it super easy to read, which is perfect for busy kitchens. Plus, it's energy efficient, coming with batteries included and an auto shut-off feature. Some users have pointed out that the design can feel a bit flimsy, especially if you're used to heavier scales. But honestly, for the price and functionality, it's surprisingly sturdy. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, no-fuss kitchen scale for daily cooking. Skip this if you want something super heavy-duty or if you're measuring very large quantities. At this price, it's definitely a value buy. To wrap it all up, each of these kitchen scales has its strengths. Whether you're a casual baker or a serious home chef, there's a scale here for you.
So there you have it. We covered the eTech City, Amazon Basics, TCX80, GGQ, and Ultrian kitchen scales. Each one has something unique to offer, whether it's compact design, versatility, or high capacity. Choose the one that best fits your kitchen needs. And happy weighing!